it's me, Sarah, and
Leah.
And today we're gonna show you all of our squishies. Well, most. Leah, hold on, guys. Leah, do you know my? That's okay. Okay, so first one, I'm gonna show you my homemade squishy. So this is my homemade squishy. It's like an ice cream, and it's not that good, but it's super slow. Like super slow. So let me just give you a squish. Sorry about the background noise. If you can see, that's slow. So just watch it rise. It's still rising. It's so slow. And then this, I hot glued this because I had to get this together apparently. And this is kind of small. I kind of want to make it into an ice cream cone. And so the next squishy. So speaking of ice cream cone, let's show you the ice cream squishy.
So I got this from Great Wolf Lodge. I won it, and yeah, it's kind of slow rising.
Not really.
Yeah.
Okay, next we have Smooshy Mooshy. Like everybody has Smooshy Mooshies.
Not everyone.
Pretty much.
Can I show the little one?
There's the best friend. Just getting the best one.
Here's the tiny one, which is not the squishy. It has a squishy inside of it.
Oh, husband.
Sorry, you can go first.
No, show him.
It's very tiny. See, So, next squishy is a Hufflepuff one. Let me just Also, if you don't know, I have a Hufflepuff shirt on. These two are mine.
I'll show you. No, that one's. Oh, yeah. Okay, now I'm going to show you Gryffindor. Shade. But you can see the little bison. So, next one.
I have LOL squishies. Here's one.
And we actually have two of those. I have one.
Yeah.
And this one is very super slow rising. My favorite. Alright. What's the next one that you have?
The next one, hold on, I'm reading. I got this Diva LOL. It's super slow rising. It's still rising. So.
And these LOL squishies are super smooth. Like they're like so smooth and squishy. Here is
a rock baby.
Yeah, I forgot her name. This one's not as slow as the mermaid. See, it's rising. Alright, and then next one I have is this donut. It's not very good. This thing is starting to peel off, but it's not that great. And like this is like
my uniform is there.
This is like super hard, and so yeah. It's your turn, Leah.
Okay, guys, so the next one is this big Squeezable. It's a regular sized one, and it's a purple narwhal. Also to go with it, I got the smaller version, which is the tiny narwhal, and it's blue. And also I got this one, Squeezable, and I got this big fuzzy one. That's
hard.
super hard. So that's all of my squishies.
Next one, don't put your squishy in there, please. Next one I have is this one. This is not, it is very cute. It's one of my best ones, but it's very cracked. So it's missing an ear. Everywhere, it's just gone. Like one of its ears is missing, one of its horns is missing, and then just look at this, guys. I had to glue its neck together because it was screaming. Look at. Like, this is just so terrible. Like, it's screaming for life. It smells so good. Next one I have is this narwhal. Its horn is breaking a little bit, but it's still cute. It's not fully painted. That's a bummer. And it's very smooth, very cute. So next, I have the Squeezable. And then I have 3 baby ones. Look at how cute that is. We also have a medium one, but it's like on my book bag or something. But I don't know where it is. But this one's a metallic kind of one. Very cute. I got this little unicorn one. Very cute. I also got this cute little kitten. These all smell so good. So yeah, that was all my squishies. So much, I know. Hope you enjoyed. Hit that bell, give a like, and subscribe. Thank you guys. Comment down below which one was your favorite squishy. Bye.